Trasy Enterprises specializes in designing and manufacturing high-performance machines for the packaging and converting industry. With a strong focus on precision, reliability, and innovation, the company offers advanced solutions such as the Slitting Machine and the Pneumatic Pouch Making Machine, both engineered to meet modern production needs. The Slitting Machine is purpose-built for slitting laminates with exceptional accuracy. It uses air blades for clean and sharp cutting, while the magnetic powder brake system ensures precise tension control throughout the process. This combination guarantees smooth operation, minimal material wastage, and consistent roll quality. Whether handling thin or multi-layered laminates, the machine provides flexibility and efficiency, making it an indispensable tool for industries where accurate slitting is critical. Alongside this, Trasy Enterprises offers the Pneumatic Pouch Making Machine, designed to manufacture chevron-shaped pouches with precision and ease. Powered by a servo motor and controlled through an advanced PLC with a touchscreen interface, the machine offers simple operation with maximum automation. A major advantage lies in the ability to finely adjust three key sealing parameters: pressure, temperature, and sealing time. This ensures strong, reliable, and uniform pouch seals regardless of laminate variations. The combination of pneumatic operation and servo-driven control makes the machine versatile, user-friendly, and capable of delivering consistent results. Together, these machines reflect Trasy Enterprises' commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. By integrating advanced technologies, robust construction, and easy operability, the company ensures its machines not only meet but exceed industry expectations. Customers benefit from increased productivity, reduced downtime, and the versatility to adapt to different materials and applications. With these solutions, Trasy Enterprises stands as a trusted partner for businesses seeking high-quality machinery for packaging and converting operations.